In today's video, I will show you how to give Robux to friends without a group. So let's get started. We will give Robux to friends by creating a game pass. For that, go to the homepage of Roblox and click on Create at the top. Go to Creations on the left and click on the game here. On the left, scroll down to Monetization and click on Passes. Scroll down to Create a Pass and click on it. Give it a name and click on Create Pass. Once you have created a pass, you will see Current Price Off Sale. Click on the three dots on the right and click on Open in New tab. Now, go to Sales on the left, then turn on the option that says Item for Sale. Set the price to whatever you want. You will see countries and regions below, along with the Robux your friends can get depending on their countries. Click on Save Changes and then proceed. Once you have created a game pass, go to your Roblox profile and then to Creations. You will see the game here. Go to the game in which you put the game pass. Click on it and go to Store. Click on the game pass that you just created, and now copy the link of this pass and send it to your friends. Once your friends buy the pass, you will get the Robux in your account. This works the other way as well. So you can tell your friends to follow these steps. You can then buy the game pass of your friends and they will get the Robux. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!